How to fix KB5044384 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solutions to fix the problem. Running the Windows Update Troubleshooter can automatically detect and resolve common issues that might be preventing KB5044384 from installing. Restart your device when the update process finishes. If that didn't work, restarting the Windows Update services can refresh any stuck processes related to the update. Otherwise, you should set them to run automatically via the properties. If that didn't work, running SFC and DISM repairs corrupted system files that may be preventing the update from installing. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, clearing the cache removes potentially corrupted files in the SoftwareDistribution folder, which may be blocking the update. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.